Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. Today I wanted to address the Latin phrase per stirpes. I've had so many clients come into my office with their will or with a will of a loved one after they've passed away, and one of their questions is, I've read the will and it has this word per stirpes. What does that mean? Per stirpes is a Latin phrase, and it literally means by the branch. So many wills will be written that we'll just use the name Melissa, just my name, that Melissa leaves all of her estate to her children, and should equally. However, should one of her children not survive her, then she leaves it to their issue. An issue is just legalese term saying to their children. And usually it says per stirpes. And here's the concept. So say Melissa, another Melissa, because we need to use a little bit more than, I only have 2 children, and this hypo will work better if I have more than 2 children. So let's say I, Melissa, have 4 children, when in reality I only have 2. And I write in my will that I'm going to leave my estate to my 4 children equally. And we're all living a great life, and unfortunately one of my children passed away before me. So now I have 1 deceased child and 3 living children at the time that I die. So now that when I die, my children go to probate my will, and it says that I leave my legacy to my 4 children equally. And they look at each other and they're like, child number 4 passed away. What do we do? And it says then, should that child number 4 have passed away, that I was going to leave my legacy to their children per stirpes. So if my child number 4 that passed away before me had 2 children of their own, then how it works is my estate would go 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 till my children, child 1, child 2, child 3, child 4 each gets a 1/4. But child 4 died, right? So instead, child 4's 1/4 interest would go to that child's 2 children equally. So each of them would get half of the 1/4, or an 1/8 each. Does that make sense? Hopefully. So essentially it's just going down the branch. And should that child had not had anybody, then it kind of comes back up. But that's that. But that's what the word per stirpes mean. And so I hope that it adds some clarity to you, and you can understand what it means when you see a will and it uses legalese terms like that and Latin terms like that. It means by the branch. Feel free to like and share if this content has been helpful to you. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.